Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 error code FHC02. So if you're getting this error code FHC02 video card crash in Forza Horizon 6, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to uninstall Citrix Workspace app. So if you have installed Citrix Workspace app on your PC, then uninstall it. So in Windows search type control panel and open it, and then click on uninstall a program under programs. And here if you find Citrix Workspace app installed on your PC, then right click on it and then select uninstall. And after uninstalling the Citrix Workspace app, then you can go ahead launch the Forza Horizon 6 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now later if you want Citrix Workspace app, then you can reinstall it after playing the game. Fix 2 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. Now before performing clean installation of graphic card driver, just update it to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check if that works or not. If not, then perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run it. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click on OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option and then click on next. So check mark this option custom advanced and then hit on next, then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. So check mark this option perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC. This is must, don't forget to restart your PC. And then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website, and once you're on this AMD website, scroll down and here select graphics, then select the product family. You have to select your product family, then select product line. This is just an example I'm showing. Select the product model and then click on submit. Windows 11 user, expand Windows 11, and then you have to download and install the latest version. The current latest version is 26.52. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then you can go ahead run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So if you have game on Steam, then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the Forza Horizon 6 game folder and then look for the Forza Horizon 6 exe file. So here it is, Forza Horizon 6 exe file. Select it and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, look for it in the list, expand it and then click on the drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type device manager and open it. Now expand the display adapter. Here it is, expand it. And this is the integrated graphic card driver. So right click on your integrated graphic card driver and then select disable device and then click yes to confirm. And after disabling the integrated graphic card driver, just relaunch the game and check. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back over here and then enable the integrated graphic card driver. Fix 5 is to disconnect Steam controllers or disconnect any other controller. So as per one Reddit user, if you have Steam controller connected to your PC, then you can disconnect the or unplug the Steam controller plug and check. As per another user on Reddit, for me it was VJoy, disable that and it works. Fix 6 is to end Riva Tuner from Task Manager. So end the Riva Tuner from Task Manager. Also end the task for RTSS Riva Tuner Statistic Server or uninstall it and then check. Also end the task for MSI Afterburner from Task Manager and then check. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files and verify the game files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first run the x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. And after a PC restart, you have to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Forza Horizon 6 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, but you have to right click on Forza Horizon 6 game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solutions are from some of the players. So first player has said, I just found out it's caused by my Moza R5. I just unplugged my Moza wheel and it's fine now. Keyboards work fine. For me, my Simo Cube 2 Pro was the issue. As soon as I hide it, hit hide, the game works. And another user has mentioned over here, mine was caused by my wheel Cube 2 Sports. Try without wheels. So you can also try this fix and see if that helps or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Forza Horizon 6 error code FHC02 video card crash error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.